Hi everyone, welcome back to Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and in today's video, I'm giving you some after dark cleaning motivation. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and you love cleaning videos. And if you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. Subscribing is easy, absolutely free, and we would love to have you become part of our Faith and Flower community. I am cleaning up the dishes from lunch, and this afternoon I have a little project that I need to get done. I had a little mishap with our counter, and I'm going to see if I can repair it. This is going to be kind of a process, so a lot of my cleaning is going to need to wait until this evening, which I thought would be great because I haven't done an after dark cleaning video in quite a while. Yes, Christmas is over and all of the Christmas things have been put away, but this travel mug that looks like Santa Claus is something that we use year-round. It's the best travel mug. It's one of those insulated sort of ceramic ones from Starbucks, so you might be seeing this throughout the year. After the dishes were cleaned up and put away, I wanted to clear off our countertop. I'm going to go into detail in a future video, but just a little teaser. Something went wrong with our countertop and I needed to repair it. And yes, it involved buffing and a lot of other things, but I will let you know how that turned out. We have had snow here in Austin, which is super exciting. And this is something that almost never happens. It's probably a once in a lifetime thing. We got probably close to 2 inches, which was really fun. And this was Austin's first experience with snow, which of course was hilarious. Our floors get dirty all the time anyway, but with the added snow, there were lots of extra dog prints all over the floor, so I'm going to clean those up later in the video. But I'm going to start off in the bathroom, and I'm just using that Miracle shower cleaner that I've talked to you guys about before, which is 50% vinegar and 50% Dawn dishwashing liquid. I switched out the Method dishwashing liquid that I was using before when I ran out and bought some Dawn to try it, and I've been using that in our shower and in our tub, and it really does work well. I like to start off spraying down the tub so that that can be working on any buildup while I'm cleaning the rest of the bathroom. Today's bathroom cleaning is a true speed cleaning. I just want to get it done as fast as possible. I have a lot to do and it's getting late. So I'm just using my E-cloth microfiber cloth first on the mirrors, and then I follow with the window polishing cloth to dry it off and give it a really nice streak-free shine. Then I'll use the same microfiber cloth to clean the countertops and sinks, and I'll dry off all of the fixtures with the window polishing cloth as well. Even though I'm doing a speed clean, the bathroom is still getting sparkling clean. I love these e-cloths because I don't need to use product, but they will remove 99% of dirt and bacteria, so the bathroom is still just as clean. I just dampen my e-cloth with a little bit of water, and then I can rinse it off in between. All the yucky stuff goes down the drain. They work so well. Right now is a great time to give them a try or to add to your e-cloth collection because they are having a sale on their kitchen cloths right now. So if you use my link down in the description box along with the code KITCHEN15, you'll receive 15% off your order. Next up is Peyton's bathroom, and he does clean his own tub and he takes care of the floors, but for the most part, every week I'll come in and clean his toilet and his sink when I'm doing ours. He also helps me keeping the upstairs clean. He does the dusting and vacuuming in his bedroom and the living areas upstairs. And while Kyle's at home, he's been pitching in a ton, which has been great. And he also keeps his own bathroom and bedroom clean. In my videos, you primarily see me doing the cleaning, but just know that behind the scenes, the guys are helping out quite a lot. With all of the activity and things on my to-do list that I have planned for this evening, I wanted to put together something for dinner that was pretty simple. And so I'm making milk rice. And this is something that we love, and it's eaten traditionally in Switzerland, but I heard from a lot of you when I showed it in a previous video that it's customary in a lot of different cultures. So I'm getting that going, and in the meantime, Patrick is pitching in to help me a little bit with the countertop so that I can continue with the cleaning. And we like to serve this with some canned fruit. That's also super easy. It's creamy and delicious, and we top it with some cinnamon sugar. I'll put the recipe down in the description box in case you're interested. Right after dinner, I went into our bedroom. I just needed to finish up with the dusting in there, and I did not do things in the proper order this week. I actually vacuumed the floors the day before, which of course I like to start from the top and work my way down, so that was kind of in reverse, but the floors were really bugging me. So I actually let the Roomba run in here. I touched up a little bit with the vacuum, and I promised myself that I would get to the dusting today, so that's what I'm doing now. This morning I had dusted everywhere in the living room and the kitchen, but I forgot this table, so I'm just coming back to make sure that's taken care of, and then I'm going to work on the floors, which, as I showed you earlier, really need a good cleaning. all take off our shoes when we come in the house. So this is where they collect, and I'm going to straighten them up a little bit before I finish cleaning the floors. We find that it really does help keep the house cleaner when we don't wear our outside shoes inside. In fact, the shoes that I have on right now are ones that I just reserved for inside the house. This is a really good way to cut down on bringing a lot of dirt and debris from outside into your home. And speaking of dirt and debris, the floors still do get dirty, so I am using my e-cloth mop with just water to clean the floors. And again, it traps 99% of the dirt and bacteria. The floors have never been cleaner in our home since I started using this. I love it. And I can just take the pad off and wash it, so it's really economical as well. I wish I could show you how dirty the floors were before I started mopping. I tried to capture a little bit of that earlier to show you, but the camera is kind and never shows the true story when it comes to the dirt. So just know that this was extremely satisfying because the floors were really filthy. It can be really hard to think about cleaning at the end of your day when you don't have a ton of energy and you just want to call it quits. But I'll tell you that one of the very best benefits is that when I wake up in the morning, I'll be waking up to a fresh, clean home, and I can't think of any other way to start the day better than that. So I hope that today's video gave you lots of after dark cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I hope that you have a great week.